Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a new method for earning. You can earn easily in home by doing some tasks. Uh, so guys, this is a website. You have to just log in by using provided information. You have to create new account. First of all, I am going to tell you the name of this software, this website or this software. So it is softwarejudge.com. Okay, then you have to create a new account on this. First of all, you have to. Okay, this is all the procedure. User account. Okay, username, email you have to provide, and then create a new account. Then you have to maintain your password. So guys, this is the whole procedure to log in or create your account, and you have to just watch different kind of software by using this application, in which you have to review all the softwares like here is play bc interactive alphabet. This is a software. You have to review the software and told if it is good quality or it is bad quality software. uh, then you will earn money of you will get cash back by reviewing these software. There are a lot of software. You can easily review these software and earn lot of money. So guys, it is an unstoppable earning method. You can earn lot of money by creating a new account on this. This is a whole procedure you can earn. I am going to tell you the this is software. I will show you. You have to just check these software and review. Here are the different reviews: 4 stars, 5 stars, 1 star. You have to just review the software and earn money. Thank you.